Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to invert colors on iPhone. Okay, first things first, open your iPhone's control center. Look then for the brightness control slider, tap and hold the brightness control slider and tap on dark mode to enable it. However, this option will not invert colors in your iPhone. It will just turn your screen into dark mode. So, for you to invert colors, go to your iPhone settings. In settings, tap on accessibility. Under accessibility, tap on display and text size. In the display and text size section, you'll find options for inverting colors. So choose either classic invert or smart invert. For classic invert, this option reverses the color of the entire display. For smart invert, this option reverses the colors of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. So, once you have selected the desired invert option, the colors on your iPhone will be inverted accordingly. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now invert colors on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.